file?
Load completed.
Yeah, like the load file being loaded.
Okay.
You just like have to wait to.
Emerald, so I'm gonna do the countdown. I'm gonna say 3, 2,
Wait,
1,
okay.
go.
I'm still
And then
saving
what-
files.
Yeah. I'm just
Saving
explaining
the
to them.
last one.
Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm on load complete.
So I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, go. And when I say go, that's when you press circle.
Right.
I'll have a slight advantage because I'm on PS2, but you know, you can also
Okay,
set
I'm
up
ready.
splits. If you
Cool.
want.
Yeah, I'm
Alright.
using splits.
All right, are we all ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes.
Let's
Alright.
go.
Let's see.
Cut the problems already.
Okay, this is gonna be
Can I
actually
fix
kind of
it?
fun. I might PB
Oh
as
yeah,
well.
remember to charge boots, Musa.
I got them. I saved over every file, so I have them now. I should be able to swag.
Right.
I
Alright,
felt
I
that
can't
first
start the
jump.
timer.
Let's go.
Yeah, I failed it
It's
too,
like
don't
a
worry.
penis without a timer. It's fine. I don't care if I PB.
And I died again. Dude, I got it first try earlier. Come on. It's a
Okay, why
side
did
flip.
it start up?
And that's a long jump.
Dude, I fucking died on Falcon.
Oh, I'm dead.
Wow,
Yeah,
you guys
same.
are dead.
I died 5 times.
I'm
Oh,
not to
dude,
brag or
I can't
anything, but
believe
I'm
I
in the
fucking
dropship
Whatever.
now.
Wow, now the second time I do it sucks.
Don't worry, I'm gonna catch up to you, Emerald.
Might
Oh,
just get
fuck.
long loads, you know.
I assume I'm a dead large right now.
What am I doing?
Alright, I'm gonna set up the fucking mountain out of bounds thing, whatever we call it.
I'm gonna do the proxy. I ate like 5
Okay, I
kills if you buy.
died without getting the dropship. I'm just
I
gonna get
fucking
a
died in the
cutscene, whatever.
dropship. Okay, are we all
Failed
in the
the
dropship?
proxy.
I've just
I'm
died
not-
into the
I'm gonna start again.
Alright, do
I
this
fucking-
exciting stuff.
Okay, I'm loading Florida now.
I'm gonna do the fucking thing casually because I do not want to lose everything to not being sucky at the proxy.
No, don't casually.
Fucking bonked that, really?
It's fine, it's fine. I'll just use the,
Just
the shot cannon. Okay.
Okay, I
Dude,
guess.
dude, I'm still on the. Oh my god, I didn't even start the splits. Okay, I'm gonna start them later.
I
That's a
haven't
bit late,
started this.
terrible Veldon.
Yeah, I'm still on
I'm doing
the
this shit
shit.
casually.
Plus 20.
And I
Level
wanna do
one.
warp. Come on. Okay,
Are
whatever.
you
I'm just gonna do
serious?
casually.
You have no
I'm
idea
just gonna do
what
it casually.
happened with my file.
Same. Okay.
Okay, I have the
Okay,
second quick select reversed with the
Cool.
first quick select.
Okay. I destroyed the thing. Come on. Open the bridge.
I have no idea how.
Alright, all my weapons are messed up. Let's go.
Dude,
I feel like I used way too much shotgun ammo.
my
I used all my
second quick
shotgun
select is
ammo,
my
I'm gonna have
first
to
quick
buy some.
select. I
I'm
have no
still on
idea.
Berlin.
I'm on VR. I'm on Florana.
I have to fix my
Okay.
quick select mid-run.
Okay, let me buy ammo.
No, I'm
ammo.
not. I'm not.
No.
Dude,
I
Matthias
died.
is,
Cool.
Matthias is gonna win. I believe he's gonna win.
I do
Yeah,
I do slow VR.
Might mess up though.
Alright.
Yeah,
Okay,
it always
I
messes
have to
up.
do
You could
the
literally
thing
No.
that
jump
changes the
and still be
monster.
ahead.
The neutral change in long jump or whatever.
Okay, come on,
Damn, I
Florana.
cannot do the clip.
Guys, I'm out of welding, crazy.
Yo, let's go! I'm not last
Let's go.
place.
Wait, are you on welding?
Nope, I'm on Florana. And
Yeah,
What
but
the fuck?
I can't
Why did
get
it
water
fire?
because I'm
Just
just.
my
killed-
quick select room.
Why couldn't I?
Alright.
Oh yeah, why
I'm off
I don't
now.
get warp actually? Oh yeah, because I did it casually. I didn't get into that.
I need to change my language after.
Where's the shield? The shield is up
Might
left.
be too bad. Come on,
Die.
please. We good.
Ow, I really just messed up the first VR clip, like getting out of the bounce of the whip jump.
You dumb
Oh.
asshole. One, you fucking idiot. No, I died on Florida. Cool.
Bro, such a
Don't
bad
mess up
decision.
that whip jump at the end,
Darn
please.
clip, let's go. Alright.
It means Sedge are at the same spot, basically.
I didn't hold
I think-
forward and I fucking charge off the ledge.
Do the corner clip.
No, please.
Maybe I should have done some practice. If first
that's cringe.
for doing this.
I didn't really do.
Maybe I should have like. Maybe I should have actually practiced anything besides Veldin.
I mean, me the
Okay.
most since I didn't ever play this game for 2 fucking years. Specifically this category, actually.
You mean
Yeah,
you
because
did.
technically played it earlier this year.
You did do 80%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on,
But like
advance
completely
it.
different strats.
Yeah, I
That's the
know.
thing. Okay, out of floor runner.
Okay.
Finally, let's do VR.
about to set up
Oh
a
no,
whip
let's
jump.
do VR.
Oh no! I almost fell before I even got to do the whip jump. Okay, please, please,
The
please. all
VR
my
is gonna
God.
be,
I'm on Dax.
it's gonna be an experience.
Yeah,
I'm
okay,
just
okay.
going to Dex now.
Oh damn, okay, me and Matthias at the same point.
Yes! Okay. I believe.
Plus
I can
30
Skip the
on my
cutscene.
stats.
How do you guys skip the cutscene apart from pressing start? Do you do something else?
Emerald, did you get Quark?
No,
I
don't
died!
like
Ow! Okay, let me get more ammo.
You died.
Yeah, literally, I tried doing
Died
the
in
corner
a
clip.
cutscene. What the fuck was that? Ooh,
Like, I
nice.
tried doing corner
Cool.
clip and it like pushed me out of bounds. Like it didn't keep
Okay.
me in place, which was cringe.
Coming up on VR skip.
I can't believe
I
this.
can't get up. Okay,
Come on.
turrets.
I totally could have done
VR.
this faster. I
got the
nailed the
got the
whip
clip
jump,
first
but not
try.
the thing I make practice files for.
No, I just failed the neutral long jump.
Let's go.
I died.
First try.
Alright.
Damn it! I missed. I
let
missed
me-
the install up into warship. Got it, but I got it again.
I am so far from the swing shot, there's no way I actually get this.
Big warship.
Okay, no, I actually got it
Well,
somehow.
I'm in the warship too.
Uh-oh.
Yo, say, oh wait, no, I'm not. Are you
Yeah,
guys
I
on
know.
arcade or something? Oh no, you are on. Oh my god, I died on VR skip. Cool. Didn't get the whim chop.
As Captain Wiffle
Yeah, that's-
once said, turrets killed the run.
As Captain
Whatever
Whiffle once
he
said,
said.
neutral long jump. No, neutral single jump.
Oh well. Come on.
Interesting.
Alright. I actually got corner
From
clip
here.
this time.
There.
Okay, avoid.
Oh, why don't we do turret clip? I mean, it's easier, but still.
Whip,
Are you
turret,
kidding me? Now I
rhino,
can't
shield.
charge out? Why? Why
Whip,
is this turret clip
turret,
killing me?
rhino, shield. Thank you.
Okay, get
That's
here.
what's
So
please.
jump here.
Come
Don't
on!
jump there. Get here.
And now I can't do the
On the
second
up.
clip. I literally practice these clips before runs and I can't get them.
Stacks proxy. Okay.
Oh yeah, come on! I missed Dex. I missed Dex. It's one
What the
Dex
fuck?
proxy fail.
The actual hell.
I have to press R1 when I go into my quick select every single time.
Okay,
Uh,
that's Dex proxy.
Yes, I'm sorry, but I can't fail VR clip. Not even once. I got 2 turrets to do the last clip.
Fine. I'll do my other strat. Land in here.
That was a
Okay,
horrible
I got the first
VR.
try. Still,
Yeah, you're out of VR now. I feel so bad, man.
I am. Oh no! Oh no!
This is
Oh
this
no!
was
there
a
is
terrible.
no clip
This
to
was a
do.
terrible Dex.
Alright, I'm finally headed to Dax.
I'm on Obama.
That was
And
a,
Matthias.
How do
and
you do?
Obama.
that was a terrible
Oh my
Dex.
Oh, I'm so lucky.
Meanwhile, I'm
I
grateful
got
that I
zero.
didn't fail the whip jumps at all.
I had 0 ammo, dude.
Alright.
Let's go.
I'm
I can go
failing
to
Obama
Dax.
so hard.
I'm good to the Axel.
I failed.
I had a fucking up.
Okay, this
That was-
Obama is garbage.
Okay.
It was the luckiest VR ever.
I do log on. Okay. This is the most fun I've had playing Ouya, and I never
I
had fun
think
playing
we're all
Ouya.
just we're all just gonna be raging at each other by the end.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Bad.
Fix my quick
no,
select
don't.
after this.
What the hell was that?
Alright, I got the
What
electro
the hell
on,
was that? Why
waterless?
didn't I click?
Electro long jump, please don't fail me now.
Neutral single jump, Captain Whiffle.
Yo! I got it! Okay.
What? Game, come on, please.
Game's fault, don't worry.
It's the game's fault, not mine.
Thank
And
you.
I killed the warship. Alright, let me pull out the whip.
It was a
Uh,
terrible.
whip,
It was a
whip, I'll let
terrible
you
first
know.
part of
Okay.
the bunny.
Shock cannon, kill the fucking
Are
warship,
you, Matthias?
Yeah.
double,
Are you?
triple,
I'm on.
Triple.
I'm on the
triple
second
charge.
part of. I'm on the second part of Abani.
Okay.
Almost
Okay.
finished.
Because
it.
I'm the
So
second part of
close to
Obama.
me.
Let's go. Alright.
Why did they hyperstrike?
Okay, I do
You
Marcadia
don't
first.
hyperstrike
Oh,
on
I
You know.
failed the fucking neutral long jump. The second one. Do I need a safe strat? I have to do this strat. Come on, I can do this
Oh,
strat.
mistakes were made. Okay, it's
No
time to do
mistakes.
epic
The first
waterless.
mistake was Melvin.
Everything else was a mistake. Dude.
Okay,
Gonna buy
Come
ammo.
on.
Okay, so whip,
I bombed.
turret, rhino.
Blackwater
Shield.
now.
1, 2.
Come
I do
on,
Marcadia
get up.
first.
Sorry.
Do Marcadia first.
Okay. How far through Marcadia are you?
At the start of it. I'm starting the missions now.
Okay.
But let's go. Getting out of ducks
I'm
right
gonna do the
now.
planets out of order, so I can't fully confirm what place I'm in. Although it's probably third or last. Alright.
Funny Gemini, let's go.
Split.
Oh, you're off Obani? Or you're on Obani?
No, I'm off ducks. Somehow. I somehow only lost like, what is it? 7 seconds to PB.
My splits literally wouldn't start for some reason.
Meanwhile,
Now they start.
meanwhile, I'm here an hour and a half, already a minute and a half behind PB.
No.
I really wish my split started. I'm so mad.
You can just
Alright.
retime it later, I guess.
Oh, come on.
I'm not gonna retime it later. It's not PB anyway, so I don't care.
Yeah, this
Oh,
is
yeah.
not PBing in any shape or form.
Could.
Alright.
Okay. Clip.
Alright, clip in, come on. Come on. There we go. I'm in.
Fortnite.
I don't have audio kills.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the swagger. I'm gonna do the low jump.
I can't get fast. I can't get fast death abuses because I don't have audio and I can't tell when I have to do it. So I just. Yeah, I'm gonna be sub on.
Okay, I failed it.
Okay.
I was going for the 2-frame long jump.
And you failed it?
Obviously I failed it, yeah. Because I didn't even get to try it. I fall off the edge.
Okay.
1, 2.
Reminder to hold down on the triangular thing. Right.
Does.
Okay, black water.
Same for me. I should have gone to Marcadia first just to be confusing.
Just time to die here 20 times. Because I failed the death abuse in the ships. Well, I got the
I
PDA.
missed one.
I'm probably ahead
That's
of
why.
Moon because of loads, but
For sure.
he's probably gonna be better. Alright, I'm already starting the free fall.
Reese has like a 34, I think.
I'm
I
slightly
got a
catching up
37.
with
But
Where
myself
are
are
you?
33.
I'm
33
mission
flat.
3 Marcadia.
We're all gonna have to like we'll all regroup quote unquote on
Yeah.
Annihilation Mission.
Can you be mission 4, Marcadia?
Can beat it.
Do I have the rhino? I do.
Okay.
Rifle.
Okay, this is going horrible.
I
Fuck!
missed the ship, of
Can't
course.
snipe.
Whoa! What is that lag? And also I did not kill the ship
Yeah,
and now
It's to be
enemies.
like, I'm gonna run smoothly.
I'm gonna run smoothly.
No, shit. Okay.
Somehow I golded that.
Come on. I'll pull out the thing.
Onto
What's
my
going on?
okay, onto my cave.
Come on.
What is happening? Why is there an enemy? Alone?
Okay.
What does he say that it... Okay, now I'm mad. It says there is an enemy,
turrets,
but there is
okay,
nothing.
Plasma storm.
Okay. Mission 2, baby. Let's go. Alright.
First try
Guys,
Arcadian proxy.
Dang.
Why is there an enemy but there is nothing on the ground?
Alright, I'm gonna clip through the wall. I can't.
I
this-
really want to.
And challenge.
Chug with
Okay, never mind. Looks
you.
like
Pro
I can't
Fortnite
do that.
gamers.
We gotta.
Dude, they
number one,
fucking soft lock at the first mission of
Get down to
they soft lock at the first mission of Blackwater.
Thus.
I haven't heard.
Because an enemy didn't die, but it was still on the radar.
Guys, I fucked up the neutral long jump on mission 2, so now I'm on the other side just shooting rifts, and this is painful.
Oh, that.
Alright. I'm gonna. Okay. Mission 3, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's not that bad, it's not that bad. Okay. Kill that fucker.
Can you die? What the fuck? Oh, there's
Right,
more people coming. Cool.
So far, not
okay.
not the greatest Marcadia in the world.
I didn't
Alright,
die.
remember to pull out the whip. Pull out the plasma whip, take out the shield.
This is like the
pull out
slowest
the-
Marcadia of my life. I ran out of
Oh, jump up the edge, Ratchet, please.
Okay, here's the ship.
Marcadia mission 2.
I'm gonna swag out.
Okay.
We got a #1 victory.
Where's my rifle? Where's my rifle? Where's my rifle? Where's my rifle?
Alright, let's go. Marcadia time, baby. My favorite planet. Our favorite planet. I sure
With
hope
the
I don't fuck up
two-red
Ghost Ratchet and
shotgun.
lose 3 minutes, thus completely throwing the race. That would sure suck.
Bro, don't worry, you're gonna do better than me anyway. So.
Someone's gonna
Watch
mess it up,
this.
I already know it.
Watch me actually, like, not fuck up Ghost Ratchet in this run. Like, remember I was there to see me lose 2 good runs to, Ghost Ratchet.
Mission 3.
Cool, I'm fucking this up. I spawn more enemies.
Honestly,
look for
honestly,
working
going for
camera.
me going for Marcadia proxy was kind of risky, because I have very little consistency with it, and I still got it first try.
Oh, look at Matthias over here, being good at Ouya.
I feel like Matisse is ahead of me, but it's hard to tell.
Well, whereabouts
We'll
are you?
know
I don't
who's
know.
ahead when we're all in Annihilation, Nathan.
I don't wanna go to Florana, fuck off.
I've done that.
You went to Florana?
That is pain.
Don't think I got Ghost Ratchet.
That
I
is-
don't think I got Ghost
I
Ratchet.
got a long load.
That
Oh
is
my god.
pain. That is pain. That is it.
Dude, okay.
Okay, I got
I
it.
destroyed them. Let me get the fuck out of here. Quick.
Okay.
I did
the
get
Where do I
Ghost
go?
Ratchet, okay.
Phoenix, I think.
Okay, so I guess
I'm supposed to go to Marcadia.
I can tell if I'm ahead of Emerald if I finish Marcadia before he finishes Blackwater, assuming
We're
that
like
you
six.
assuming that you go to Blackwater
Oh, no.
after Marcadia.
Yes.
Alright.
All right.
Let
Don't
me
worry, guys. I'm gonna recover on the late game.
Okay.
Where's Marcadia? Here. Let's go. Finally.
Okay, destroyed 1 ship.
Okay.
Destroyed. Oh, I
Marcadia.
missed it.
All right. Mission 4. Can I get swag curved wall into the clip again? No.
Uh,
I'm not doing the proxy at the start of Marcadia, obviously.
I know there's a
Just
way to
not-
manipulate
much
the
time
rifts
on
to
this?
last forever on PS2, but I wanna learn that.
To last
Just for
forever.
Marcadia. Yeah, I remember Zem said it in his tier list video that on PS2 you can manipulate the
God, I'm
rifts to last.
fucking stupid.
I'm heading to Blackwater now.
What? What is Blackwater?
Sorry.
Blackwater is water
Well,
that is.
I'm joking. I literally have this cold in Blackwater on my splits.
Sorry, no,
Okay.
it's Roga. Sorry.
I
Alright,
just-
mission 3, boys.
halfway
Matthias
through.
is on mission 4.
Halfway through mission 4.
Oh boy, okay.
Why did I not just quick jump?
Wow,
I'm like,
Shaggy's
okay,
actually pretty
let's go.
close to
First
me.
mission.
I'm kind of getting a little monkey-est right now.
1, 2, 3,
You couldn't do
4,
scrunchless.
5, 6, 7, 8.
I just
Oh,
realized my bullets
2,
were not
3,
hitting that ship
4,
at all.
5,
Balls
6,
not hitting
Why,
Seven,
did I, why did I
8.
pop out? Now I have
Please
to
hit the saucer.
Kill the ship.
Kill.
I love that we say kill the ship instead of blow it up.
I don't
Because
want
it needs to
alright.
die.
Yeah, it's
Does
true.
deserve to die.
But you know what needs to die more? The saucers. Fucking hate those motherfuckers. Okay.
I'm
It's
not
coming
even
from the
close
right.
to the wall.
Wait. Kill these guys. That's not the end of it. I forgot the ship. Oh my god.
Oh my god. And now the saucers are shooting me. This mission's falling apart like my tacos.
CC's Mexican yet can't make good tacos.
What? Am I the only one that heard that?
Like the
Yeah.
Mike squeal.
Alright,
Alright.
I'm on mission 4.
Mission
That was a
5.
sound.
There's literally nothing I
I
can
don't know what
do.
that
so
sound
I'm-
yeah,
was.
Saj.
What? I'm gonna tweet about this.
Wow.
Okay, what's with the word?
Muse 1 Sands.
Apparently I got a good Sans impression.
Dude,
Dude.
game's running at 2 FPS.
That's the Rift Inducer, not the fucking Plasma Stone. Kill the guy!
Oh wait, no.
I'm gonna make a tweet about the race. I'm doing a New Year race with some friends and I fucked up the clips on VR and died.
Then Musa made
Good start.
sounds.
Don't kill me, please. Thank you.
Alright, I tweeted it. If y'all don't go and like and tweet it when you're on mission
Tweeted it
4,
already.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm doing mission 3. Shut up, I was
Okay,
trying
I
to
got
skip
Ghost
it.
Ratchet.
Okay, I got it.
At least I'm 80% sure I did.
Contra.
He's definitely ahead of me.
Yep,
Okay,
Ghost
40
Ratchet.
seconds
Nice.
left.
Where are the ships, dude?
Come on, timer, go on the... I wonder if the timer on mission 4 like goes faster.
many
on a
ships
certain
are in this
console,
fucking
like,
mission?
some-
I feel like if you lag the
What-
game, it could go faster.
I'm gonna check my
That
Snapchat.
was it. Okay, die. Whip to red. Okay, mission 4. It's time to chill. Grab the edge. No, wait, I'm not gonna grab the edge, I'm gonna clip.
Oh my god, okay, 10 more seconds, come on. I literally have my fingers over the start and X buttons.
Clip, shield, shot cannon. Okay, you said to like something on Twitter.
Okay, mission 5.
But you did Blackwater too, right? Sergio?
Yeah, I already did Blackwater.
Damn, you're
So
ahead
I
of
have to
everybody
run.
or something.
I've already finished my Arcadia.
Ah, okay,
gonna
somebody
throw you
is
on
winning. Let's go.
He's on Phoenix.
What are you right now? Nation?
He's literally about to do Nation. He's just gonna skip the vid comic. Come on.
Like I could watch, but I don't have my mouse because all my USB plugs are used.
Oh, come
One for the
on,
mic,
come
one for
on.
the splitter, and one for the record with the cap card.
I can
Soon
see
I'll be
us
sure.
having a Rack 2 race and me losing to Musa even though...
So,
no.
I went out of the
No,
video,
back to-
forgot to actually skip it in the menu. Went to my ship for nothing. There we go, now I skip.
my shield literally popped by the laser dudes, and now I'm having enemies all over me. I wish women could be like this.
Bro, you didn't even
Okay.
put the fucking link in the Discord, the mage.
No, do not.
Okay, I have Ghost Ratchet, let's go. Okay.
God, how do I...
You know what, I'm grabbing the
Count
refractor. I don't care.
From -2,
I'm gonna be
I
safe.
think.
I need to be
Yeah,
safe.
Wait, no, I need the plasma stuff.
Hey, don't risk annihilation. Just do it
Well, I'm
standard.
so risky. I'm doing Tar Ninja.
God damn it, I didn't go to the...
Well, that's a good start.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Oh,
Do I take the
die,
risk?
die.
And shot cannon, I guess.
Okay, we go.
Okay, don't risk it, not here.
The easiest thing ever.
That's not the fucking... Oh my god, whatever. Just go. Oh yeah, you can hold the direction to do the fucking crank, so...
Okay. Alright. I'm just about
Oh my
done with
God.
Arcadia.
The easiest proxy in the game I can't do.
But how can I suck so
Which
much?
proxies it?
Proxy.
But TS is gonna win for sure.
Well, I have to press... my quick select is reversed, so my muscle memory is dead right now.
Right. I just
That's
got off
nice.
Marcadia. I'm headed to Phoenix now. to
I
skip
clipped
the comic.
inside the box thing,
Oh.
and I went
Alright.
straight into a
But the
wall.
only way to catch up is just to like go faster, SMH.
Dude, we just have to hope that like something really bad happens. Oh, fuck off. I accidentally charged too early in the game to register it.
Do not
Right.
Please tell me that I
go
got
for
Ghost Ratchet.
scrunchless.
I have to load now.
Do
I
not
have to load the
game.
go
Ghost
for
Ratchet.
scrunchless, me.
I will.
It's so
The
far.
Talos fight is gonna be so bad. I
Oh
just
no!
realized.
Is everyone else gonna do scrunchless and I'm not?
No,
I'm obviously
I don't
gonna
know
do
how
it.
to do scrunchless, bro.
Everyone else
Well, I
can
know
do
how to do it. I
scrunchless.
just can't do it because I suck at.
Oh my god, I failed LDF.
It's still
Are you
get to the
falling?
ship. Yeah,
Oh,
I mean, I did
no.
already black hole. Still,
Oh,
we're at the ship. Okay, just an insta with those.
All right.
It's just an insta, literally. So free.
Ah,
no.
shit. Right.
We go again.
Come on,
Annihilation
die,
Nation, boys.
die, and die. Get on the button,
Don't
scrunch.
worry, I'm just gonna die real quick.
Lie about it.
Okay, yes, I
Dying, died
feel
of
it. Come on.
cringe. I'm like a whole planet behind Matthias and Emerald.
Okay.
All right.
Please. Okay, I didn't fall off. That was the last thing that
You
I
fell
wanted.
off, young boy. Better ratio.
I didn't. I didn't, don't
You
worry.
fell off.
Grunge. Thanks.
You fell off hard.
Fuck out of Marcadia, get the fuck out of Marcadia, get the fuck out.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna do Holostar
Okay,
next.
best possible time is 40:58, so I don't know if I can recover.
Just get a bunch of golds, SMH.
True.
All right. All right. All right. Come on. Come on.
How
Come
do
on.
can I please get this barrier skip? Thank you. I'm always so nervous doing
Oh,
that
come
barrier
on.
skip.
I missed the button. Okay. It's time for Scorpio. Which isn't
Right.
gonna be
It's time
fun.
to skip the video
I
calling.
don't think I can get. I don't think I can get the thing. I don't even know if you can do the thing RTA. Or if it's going to
Quark
test
be
only.
smiling, not gonna lie.
It's an interesting name for a strat, but it's not very practical.
What is?
Where is Nation? Where is Nation? I didn't skip the with comic.
Hey, join the
No,
club.
no, no.
What
Okay.
happened?
What
What
happened?
happened?
Glitched. He was like hovering on the floor. I was gonna like
Oh.
soft lock prevention die.
Get
Just
the fuck
do
out of
it
here.
on-
I'm so scared of that. Okay, I'm in Holostar Studios now.
Come on, come on.
I know.
I'm not that
now
far
Talos
behind.
is running away from
Talos.
the rest of it.
Emerald, you're playing in English, right?
Yeah.
Why did
oh,
you
so I have
not
a
pick?
slight-
Why are you not playing in German?
I
Oh,
forgot.
I'm
You
playing
have
on English as
pals.
well. I forgot as well.
It's like 2 seconds.
Oh, let's go! Okay, I have a slight time save over you. It's only by like 3 seconds, but you by like 4 seconds, something like that.
Am I
Three.
the only one
Stop on
playing in?
Talos.
Shut up.
Am I the only one playing in the
Oh, shut
actual optimal language?
Because I really
Well,
don't
I'm
care
playing-
about
I mean, yes, I know about Sage and NTSC, but the other guys have PAL PS3. Why are
Okay,
you
so I
not
forgot,
playing in
okay.
German?
I forgot, alright? Jesus.
Okay, that was not.
I set
up
That
the
was not an
file,
impressive. That was
literally.
not an impressive Talos.
Why don't you
When
stupid
was
monkey
it?
get
Like,
the fuck up here?
Okay, I have to do the ninjas. Because
Get
Talos
the
is
fuck
being
up here, you little
prick.
asshole.
here. This.
Just do the turret clip way.
Come on, Nation proxy.
Come on, scrub, you little
Fuck
bastard.
off. I got a
I have to do
late
the ninjas
proxy.
of my life.
If I die on the scrunch section, I'm just gonna like hate my life.
How did I take the outer rhino? What the fuck?
Where is
Okay.
Talos, man?
Okay,
Oh my god, I hate
gotta do Scorpio.
this.
Come on,
Come on.
turret. Come on.
Oh,
Turrets,
it's a
please.
fucking challenge.
Come on,
This is
turrets.
no Scorpio.
alright, it's time for Talos. Oh no.
Bro, how did you catch up to me? I'm still on Talos.
Oh, it's okay. You're gonna eventually like win again, because I just cannot do Talos for to save my life.
Me
Okay.
neither, I'm doing
Just
the
go-
ninjas.
so-
because my
I
game
just gonna do scrunch, let's say meet with you guys, okay? Just gonna do scrunch, let's real quick and just gonna meet you.
No, you're not. doing
Terrible,
scrunches.
terrible Holostar. Draco, please be
you know what?
nice to me.
I still need to kill 8 more ninjas now? Bro.
I need to kill. Okay, I need to kill 9 ninjas. Where are you?
How
Where are
long
you?
the
Where are you?
dialogue
Please,
is.
please, please.
Okay,
I'll give you a
fine,
kiss
then
if you
I
come over
killed
to me.
the Idiot.
I have the PDA.
I'm
I do
actually
too.
so mad, man.
Oh yeah, we get a
Yeah,
time save.
yeah.
Musa doesn't get the time save from the PDA because he doesn't have it.
I have the PDA. Shut up.
Oh, fuck off.
Doors open.
You think I wouldn't get it?
Pretty much,
Oh,
yeah.
come on. That's not. Oh, come
Okay,
on.
come on. Okay,
Let's go. It's time for scratch. Why am I
Everyone
doing this?
and I are like in a fight to the death to see who can get out of this Planet Quaker. Moose is all like, "Oh, I can't even press."
I
the
got
button."
it! I got
And Matthias is
it!
just
You got
like,
what?
"Oh, hi guys. My name is
Scrunchless.
Matthias."
I
And
got
I'm
scratch, let's do
No way!
Where is he? Okay, here he is.
Three Talos.
You actually had Talos?
Yeah.
You got Scrunch!
I am plus
It's not
2
that
minutes.
hard,
Power
bro.
clip.
No, I can straight
Oh
the
my
giant like
god, lag. What the fuck is this? What the fuck?
Close my door. Cause
Okay, and
Where
now
are you
what's
go-
gonna
where
need?
are you going?
I need
Dude,
nitro. No, I'm
this
an
is
idiot.
running at like
Fuck
this is running at like 3 frames a second.
I
Okay,
need
I did.
Rhino, nitro launcher,
Oh.
shot cannon. That was a bad setup for Courtney.
Come on, come
And I
on.
still missed
On
it. I
Ratchet.
missed the shot cannon wave.
We're
Yeah,
never
I
catching
killed
up to
Talos.
Matthias.
Think.
I just finished
Wait.
Talos. I'm on Ratchet.
Where is Talos? Yes, 0 HP. Shut up, fucking die.
Where is he?
Just
Where is
fucking
he?
die.
so mad I lost 2 minutes in Talos.
Okay. Oh shit, I accidentally opened the vendor. Okay. Time to click.
Where is it? Rhino, nitro
I can't believe I
launcher,
pulled gold this.
EDA.
Because I got scratchless. I'm freaking stupid.
Okay.
I'm
I
an
need
idiot.
the
I'm an
line.
idiot.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I need a shield.
That was terrible.
Alright. I have all the weapons I need for
How
Draco.
do I do the proxy again?
It's bad as Talos.
That was a terrible Draco.
Die, please.
I swear, why does it do that? Like where you get stuck falling on the floor. Giant Clank.
For Giant Clank, probably because
Yeah.
you get on too many geometry. Alright, also, I'm
Oh, I
on
hate
Obama
that.
Draco now. I'm headed to Draco.
Okay.
Yeah,
Support,
it
please.
took me a while to figure out the proxy. Oh my god, no,
Okay.
really?
Wait.
Did I softlock myself?
Guys, you have a
Deal.
lot of chances to catch up with me on Draco. I don't do any speed strats on Draco. I literally
Got the
only do
cutscene
the thing
trigger.
where you put on the shield charger.
Yeah, I think I need to reload. I fucked it up.
Oh no.
Somehow.
Oh come
Okay,
on,
where am I?
that's annoying.
Okay, no, I didn't. Where am I?
Okay, let me put on my shield actually. I need that shield. Ah,
Okay, no. I'm still safe. I just need to, like, not fuck up this proxy this much.
I should have learned this clip like a long time ago. Now I don't know it when I actually need it.
Gold at Obama Draco.
Oh shit, nice.
The Obama Draco.
Nice Starport gold.
What do I call
Dumb
my splits? Okay.
Starport.
Call
Uh,
VR skip fuck you. I'm gonna rename it to VR and name Velden fuck you. On the T. Oh yeah, Musa, guess what I called Dax in my splits?
Dobbiamo uscire a meno 20.
Mm-hmm. Where's my mouse?
Perché ieri non l'hai fatta.
Yeah, really nice right now. I know the time when I'm supposed to go
First
out.
try
It's like
Comic
Ah,
4
yes.
skip.
40
Speaking the
minutes.
language of pasta.
First try Comic 2 skip.
What were you saying anyway? Like, let me forget whatever the fuck you said.
My Dax split is named Gas. I knew you'd love it.
When the vendor by the ammo.
Alright.
I have the most useless split ever.
What is it?
I have a split dedicated just to the coordinates for Zeldrin. I don't know why, I just do.
Oh.
Alright. Watch me like fuck up Zeldrin Starport. Okay.
I don't know if I can do the clip on Draco.
Okay.
Okay, the box
Okay, I skipped Courtney, let's go.
Dude, all my time save from Scrunchless fucking died because I was stupid enough to try the proxy.
Dude, we're never Matthias.
Oh, come on!
Matthias is all fucking Metropolis and I'm over here barely getting to Zeldrin Starport. What planet are you guys on?
I'm
Draco.
loading Metropolis now. I go to Zeldin Starport too.
Oh, what the fuck? You're on Metro? Fuck off.
Yeah, I'm loading
Right.
to it now.
How do you do this? Is that how you do it?
Please be
Oh, that
kind
is
to me,
how you do it.
Twitter.
Only problem is that I fucking failed and I died. I think. Or not. Haha, I still got
I
it.
think or I am. Okay.
Dude, getting Draco clip first try. The fuck is this run?
Hey,
And
hey, where is
I
it?
don't
Where
know
is it? Please. What the
Okay.
hell?
Oh,
Wow.
come on, I
What the
missed.
fuck?
That was
Guys, I
bad.
died. I didn't hit the cutscene. Okay, the question is, do I do the path casually to not? No, I can't. Don't do casual death. Come on.
Where is the final bombing?
And I'm dead.
Okay, there, I have it. I have it. Okay. Can I get
Okay,
this?
PDA.
A PDA. I forgot to do that.
Yep.
I
Oh,
accidentally
yeah.
have the turrets out. I have no
Okay,
shotgun
Zeldrin,
ammo.
let's go.
Okay, where are you now?
Zeldrin. Still literally
Alright.
going right now to Zeldrin.
No,
Ah,
fine. Stupid text, standard
Okay.
taxi.
Thankfully, do the proxy on Metro, so I should save some time over there.
I just got off Zeldrin. I'm now going to do VidComic skip. Come on. Watch this be like the one time I failed VidComic
What
skip.
about you,
Not
Errol?
including before I knew what I was doing wrong, of course. Okay, come on, come
I don't know what the trigger is.
on.
I got it
Okay, I
anyway.
lost. You lucky motherfucker, I hate you.
Shut up. Okay, I don't know how to do the mega flip strat, sadly. I went right. Fucking
Okay,
idiot.
No, 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 no.
Okay, on the Zeldrin.
You know how I
Saving
said,
time to PB, fuck off.
how I said this would be the run I'd like fail VidComic skip?
You got
Oh yeah,
it.
with comic skipper. Thank you for reminding me. I was gonna like leave Metro, leave Phoenix without doing anything.
I literally struggled to do VidComic skip. It took me like 5 tries to do it, and fucking Ranger's bonking.
Crash
Like
site,
this.
please.
Okay, okay. Just for the swag, I'm kind of tempted to like buy a weapon or something, or like change my ship skin just to like swag out. But that would only
Okay.
be cool if I
Good.
was Matthias.
What
My
the
God,
hell
I
was that? Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Go to Metro, move it! Come on,
Okay.
charge!
Come on, I literally bugged the first charge. Okay. Activar expendedor. The language of Despacito.
Sí, mucho después.
Okay, can I get this long jump? I cannot.
No. Okay, that's fine. I
Te
can work
quiero
with this.
sentir tus labios.
I can work with
I'm doing
this.
like full try hard mode right now.
No, I
My
can't.
controller has not known abuse like this. Okay.
Bésame.
I can't hyper strike up here. Why? Okay.
That was
Get
bad.
on the
This is
box.
bad. This is bad.
Why am I failing every
Please.
strat?
Oh my-
No, I hate it here, dude. I'm mad, dude.
Yeah, I got a turret in the middle of where I'm supposed to proxy.
No, I went to Iridia. Fantastic.
Oh, the fucking asshole killed it. The laser Tyrannoid
So
destroyed the
sorry.
box. Okay, I have the other
Oh,
one.
I'm so mad. I fell a whip jump. Of all the things. I fell a fucking whip jump after getting
Yeah,
the
I'm
proxy.
loading Quark's hideout now.
No.
Yes.
You're on Quark's
This-
hideout?
Yeah, now I am.
How?
I went full try hard mode. I'm just scared.
Okay, you know what? I literally forgot how to do this. I have to do the level casually. Fuck.
What level?
Dude, literally, fuck you, Emerald. You're not supposed to win the race. What the fuck?
When I failed,
I was supposed to win with the
I
fast.
failed
with
the whip
something
jump.
fast possible.
Keep failing it. Keep failing it, yes.
I will.
Give me a chance to catch up.
No, I died in the ice again.
Mm.
Okay. Please whip jump. Please
French
whip
swing
jump.
Ratchet, please. Don't want. Okay, listen, I don't fucking care. I'm just gonna do the pussy strat. Get on the box. Range swing
I
the
tried
big glass.
that, but, the enemy killed the box.
Hey,
I'm
Mahama.
I just gotta hope. I just gotta hope that I have a bit of risk
I
here
didn't
tomorrow
ask
by this
Clank.
point.
Okay.
Phoenix
What's the?
rescue.
Okay, let's do Metro backtrack.
Come on! Why can't I do it? Please.
Yes.
That's not a shock cannon.
I literally have to do the level casually now. Fuck off. And I died.
Oh come on! That's I failed a whip jump too. Damn it.
No.
That is the worst Metropolis I've ever had in my life.
What the hell was that?
Cool.
Yeah, I got the 1 frame on Starship.
Oh, finally.
Finally.
The 1
That
frame?
was awful.
I think it's 1 frame anyway, like the side flip into long jump.
Side flip into low jump is 2 frames. Long jump into side flip is 1.
Even
Like
with the
any
death,
kick
that
I
was still
want.
gold. What the hell?
Okay, now I'm on the stupid Clunk fight. I'm lo-
Are you
What
doing?
on that?
Emerald, are you doing Koro's proxy?
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Damn it.
Always.
If I fail it,
Right.
then I'll do casual.
Yes, yeah, you just have to fail it, like yesterday, I think it was.
Got a
Do what you did in
consistent.
practice, okay? Not just do what
I
you
ended up
did.
learning it today,
Alright.
and I got a consistent, so.
Musa, where are you?
Crash side. Literally just landed.
Fuck you. That was the worst. The fucking enemy broke the box. Like, I
I would like
tried
the
getting
turrets
off the box
game.
and grabbing onto the ledge, and I couldn't. It just wouldn't let. I just couldn't get height.
So this is what I can do.
Instaclip.
This planet, like
yeah,
these
I
planets
failed
are what I
Koro's proxy. I'll
can
try
do.
it one more time, and then up to casual.
I fully believe I'm gonna just never get the nuke long
Fucking hyper
term
strike.
work.
Fucking hyperstruck with the whip at like 1 meter after touching the ground.
Yeah.
I
Ow,
died.
my
I
head.
got him Koro's.
How I thought I had a terrible rescue in my last run.
Guys, HS Blue just nuked all the VIPs, which includes me, and now I'm sad.
I got the proxy.
Whatever.
No,
Just
come
Sure.
on, miss the web
That was very
shot.
fucking-
Okay,
I
so
didn't
you
miss it,
do
I got
square,
Koro's
down,
proxy and
triangle,
jump.
X. Okay.
I need to check if. I need to
And
know
this
if I
though,
will-
I can't recover. I just can't
Let's try
recover.
proxy.
I mean, you guys are on Coros,
Oh!
and there's like
Okay,
2 planets of
I'm
difference.
loading onto command center now.
You fucking kidding me? I'm only half. I'm not even halfway through crash site.
Oh no.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Damn it, I missed Cora's proxy. Oh, first time I got the proxy, I missed the whip jump. First time I never knew.
I went to Aridia.
You guys both went to a
Yo! Okay.
I forgot that it's a finger.
I lived.
Please let him long move. Please let him long move. I have the master plan. Tengo el plan.
Master.
Master. It's called.
Leave.
Yeah, I got
But dude, if I crash on Aridia, you can crash on Aridia, you know? Now that will be the fucking truth. Okay, no. I didn't.
Don't throw this run, please. Come on, game.
Yes!
Somehow I'm still ahead,
You
barely.
guys-
Okay.
You guys on command center, Fatty nephew?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. I had. Musa, where are you now?
And the fucking I got it called like it's called QQQ on my split.
I just landed on command center.
The quark finger. Come on.
Okay, I'm not winning
Okay.
then.
I
I'm on the free
I
fall.
died
I'm
twice.
I am probably not gonna win this
All sad. Yeah,
I
I'm
died
not
3
gonna defeat
times.
unless I get a god tier nephew or something and Emerald messes it up somehow.
though. Yeah. Okay, I'm on the free fall now.
Okay, time for Quark. Oh,
Quark's come high.
I'm.
Get
Okay,
on
I
the
need to see
button.
if he just blue nuked me. I need to know, please. Please, blue,
Oh,
have
she
some mercy. Okay, here we go. Quark's hideout. Be kind to
Yeah,
me,
raise-
please. That was not being kind to me. Okay, that was my fault.
Okay, I got that whip jump.
It's just for a minute. I got time to prepare myself to go. Just gonna wash my teeth like 20 times because you know it's a dentist.
Come on.
Can never be too sure. Time for epic.
I'm
Two
literally
frames.
Oh,
not
come
getting
on,
it.
you're not doing epic, are you?
Long jump.
Okay, I got the cutscene trigger.
I did a jump and it wasn't a long jump. I hate my life.
That was clutch. Come
I
on,
genuinely might die to Neffy.
come on.
Hey, let's go
Neffy.
instantly.
We're almost there.
Okay, I did an insta clip, but whatever.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you kidding me?
6. Thank you, Emerald.
9,
Ironically.
12, 13, 14,
Go to chorus this time.
16,
Rhino.
I'm just not
17,
launcher.
18? Okay, there we go, 18 for some reason.
20? What?
Don't know, man.
GG.
I missed the hyper strike.
Okay. I'm gonna watch Matisse now.
I'm gonna do epic chorus proxy. Yes. Buy ammo. Yes.
Come on.
Opening the
Please.
vendor. Oh my god.
Please,
it's
let
delayed.
You do one cycle? How do you do that?
Just throw a bunch of turrets and you do it.
Bro, that's weird.
But you don't do one cycle. You should like just learn it, to be honest. It's not that.
No,
that
it's hard
hard.
because I don't have Rackman.
Okay, I don't know how to do the whip jump on chorus.
Well, I guess neither does.
That's my only problem. I can do the proxy freely, but the fucking whip jump is my problem. Okay.
Come on.
Okay, I got it. Anyway.
1,
I still have the nitro
2,
launcher from
3,
Courtney.
4,
Oh,
Oh,
Five.
big reminder, never cancel on the last charge of chorus,
8,
because you'll crash.
9,
Like, it's more
Oh.
probable that you crash.
12,
you can crash.
13.
Yeah. It happened to Weefle, and from then he never did it again.
I'm finally headed to Phoenix Rescue. Matthias and Emerald.
There we go.
I could have beaten Musa and
Surprisingly, I
gone
pulled a
birthplace and
PB
had
out
some
of
sense of
that.
dignity, but
I don't know, I should have just
ATV.
like getting stuck on Beldin.
Wait, so how do you crash? 'Cause
Yes.
I need to know how to avoid it.
Cancel. You just cancel the last charge. That's what you do.
Neutral.
Got this command set resource swag. I got the world record starting where you do like the mega flips into long jump. It's so cool. It hits you once, but then low to do.
Okay, I got a 43.52.
Hey,
I got a
proxy.
40. I got a 45.07.
Yo.
Okay, now